Welcome back, Mongo Fix. This the two-door Cobalt. If you don't remember this Cobalt, Mongo don't blame you. It only been, I think, 2 years since the last video. The last video, that engine came out. You know, it had a crank no start condition, did a whole bunch of tests on it, checked some coils, checked some wiring. Come to find out, it was jumping timing like crazy. Mongo pulled the engine because we were not sure at that time if going to go with a junkyard engine or just timing chain, so Mongo got bored, pulled the engine. And then it sat for 2 years. Sitting at Mongo's house out back, engine was sitting in the barn, just waiting. Brother Kevin called Mongo and said, "Hey Mongo, it's time to get this thing going." Brother Kevin get timing chain, say, "Let's do this, let's put the change on it, put her back in." So of course, Mongo was having lots of fun, didn't film any of it. So someday Mongo would film doing timing change, but this mostly just to close up the story. Put the timing chain kit in it, you know, the chain, the guides, the sprockets, all the stuff. Put the engine back in the car, get her all bolted in, get everything tightened up. Brother Kevin changed out the exhaust manifold because it was cracked and one of the studs was bad. So get a brand new manifold, all new gaskets, that type of thing. Full disclosure, it's been fired already. Initially it didn't start because it was out of gas. So be sure it's got gas in it when you try to start it. Nice new belt. So this is the same engine, same alternator, same everything. All we did was time and change. And then replace the manifold. Bird's like a kitten. So now we just gotta let her run good long time. Run her up and down the road. No check engine light. Make sure it stays that way. Let the oil burn off all the parts, you know, because sometimes you get some residuals. And put the hood on, and then that Cobalt is ready for regular use all the time. Well, this video probably not going to help you because it's just closing up the series. We had the no start, found out it was time and change, put time and change in it, and it runs. So really, this is a totally useless video. But for those of you who really wanted to know what happened, this is what happened. Well, if you like this video, be sure to like this video and series. If you like this series and other videos, be sure to subscribe. Mongo's always working on all sorts of stuff and doesn't film all of it, but we'll get to it. There'll be another Cobalt, there'll be another 2.2, there'll be another time and chain, as you know. We'll get it. Mongo, thank you.